Good day again, dear students. Okay, now let's work with Unit 9, Agreeing and Disagreeing, Degrees of Formality. Alright, so what is formality? What is a formal language? Okay, so for example, when you talk to your friends, you, let's say, you don't speak formally. For example, okay, do you say excuse me to your friends? Well, I don't. I don't say excuse me. All right, I just say hey. All right. For example, if I want to say something, if I want to ask something, hey, give me something, I just ask. But if I want to ask something from my professor, I say excuse me. Don't you mind if I ask something from you? So I ask like this. This is formality. So today we are going to talk about agreeing and disagreeing, and let's say formally agreeing or disagreeing. Now, in an academic situation such as a debate, discussion, or seminar, it's normal for people to agree and disagree with each other. While you may want to make your position clear, it is important to know how to agree and disagree appropriately. Agreeing. I agree with you 100%. I'm with you on that one. I'm with you. That means I agree with you. I couldn't agree more. I couldn't agree more. That means, all right, I cannot agree more than this. So this is the maximum point of agreeing with you. That means I agree with you 100%. I am of the same opinion. That means we have the same opinion. Let's say, we have the same idea. Okay. Politeness is more important when expressing disagreement. So when you disagree, you should be polite. You should, let's say, show that you are trying to give your own opinion. You are not going to fight this person. You are just going to disagree. All right. Purely no or I don't agree can sound rather abrupt in English. All right. For example, if you say no, or I don't think so, I don't agree, I disagree with you. So this is something impolite, this is rude. Okay? So what should you say? We can soften our disagreement with a lead-in phrase such as I'm afraid or I'm sorry, but. Okay, I'm not so sure about this. So that means you don't know exactly, you don't agree with this person. And then you are showing your doubt on this. Well, I'm not so sure about this. And then the person tries to, let's say, maybe prove his opinion or her opinion. So I can't agree with you. I can't agree. So I don't want this, but I can't. Okay, so I can't agree with you. Sorry. I have to side with name on this one. All right, so you should say I can't agree with someone on this one. I can't agree with you on this one. I can't agree with Suhrab on this one. So you can say that. I beg to differ. I beg to differ. So that means I have a different view. I'm sorry for this, but I have a different view on this. Now, you're going to work with a listening task. Listen to two dialogues in which two students discuss video games and game theory. Indicate if the students agree or disagree with each other with following statements. For example, we have four statements here. We can become better drivers by playing video games. We can become better drivers by playing video games. So if the speaker one, student one, agrees with this and says, yes, I agree. Let's say when we play video games, we improve our skills, and then we drive an actual car. So this helps us. So you put a tick. And then the next student says, well, I am not, let's say, with you on this one because this is a video game. This is not reality. So in reality, it's different. So you put cross. Okay, so that means student 2 disagrees. Then gaming can improve your creativity. So, all right, when you play games, your creativity gets, let's say, developed. So if the student 1 disagrees, put a cross. If the student 2 agrees, put a tick. It's better to cooperate in prisoner's dilemma situation. It's better to cooperate in the prisoner's dilemma situation. Then, again, so student 1 agrees or disagrees, put tick or cross. Student 2, cross or tick again. The best outcome is only possible if you don't copyright. The best outcome is only possible if you don't copyright. Agree, disagree again. Tick or cross. So, all right. Which dialogue is a formal debate and which is an informal conversation? Okay, what do you think? So you have listened to the, let's say, dialogues. Which one is formal? Which one is informal? Okay, now listen to the recordings, find the answers, check your answers, and go back to this video and watch the rest of the video. Now let's go. All right, work with a partner to discuss statements below. Use the phrases in the language box to agree or disagree with each other. Explain your reasons. So we have 4 ideas. It would be better if you find